Sing please. 5, 6, here we go.
The New Musicals immersion is we bring in artists from New York where we workshop their new works that they're working on, obviously. New Musicals workshop. And it normally ends in like a performance at the end that's a staged reading, but we've had everything from people bringing in full productions to be like, okay, well, we think that this is what we're gonna end up having it be. And like this year we will be doing excerpts from both the Eric Hermannson Soul, which is the brand new production, and from Fugitive Songs, which is the song cycle that we're adapting.
The purpose of it is to serve the writers and what they need with the material they bring in, and then kind of from there we, the students, learn like a million different lessons. We get to take away how different composers work and what kind of environment is best for them, what type of performers are best for them. And I think more than anything what I've learned is to just be ready for anything. Make yourself as able and willing to work on whatever they throw at you. Because really, the more that you're able to give them, the more confident they'll be in the piece and the more that they can bring to the piece.
We read scenes and do songs and they're like, well, I want to change this note there or change the way this scene flows. Also through this, I've made some amazing connections with people who live in New York, and I'm actually planning on moving there now because of the connections and networking opportunities that I've had through this program.
Whenever someone asks what like performance learning is, what President White is saying when he says performance learning, I talk about new musicals because in the classroom we work on learning songs, how to approach a song, how to approach music you haven't heard before, but there is always that kind of constraint that it is a classroom environment. And so for the 2 or 3 weeks you're doing the musicals, it's not a classroom, it's a rehearsal room. And you're working with professionals in the field that we all like hope and pray we will be a part of.
It's nice to know that we have an impact on something that they're doing and that our education has led us in a way that we can impact the work that they're doing as professionals.
It's the best part of my year, every year, just because of how hands-on it is and how much we get to learn about ourselves as performers.